In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. This can be incredibly useful if you want your PDF files to contain helpful or supplementary documents like spreadsheets, images, or other types of files. We'll cover several methods for doing this, whether you're using an older version of Acrobat or the latest version, Acrobat Pro DC. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start with the method for those using modern versions of Acrobat Pro DC or newer. Begin by opening your PDF document in Acrobat Pro. Once it's open, look towards the top for an option labeled Edit PDF, or possibly Edit More depending on your configuration. Clicking this will often reveal options in the right pane, where you should find something like Attach File or Add Attachment. Selecting this will prompt a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse and choose the file you wish to attach. Once you've selected your file, confirm your choice. You should now see the attachment listed in the Attachments pane or a similar panel to the side. At this point, you can right-click the attachment if you wish to edit its description or properties, giving you control over how it appears and communicates its content to others opening the PDF. If you're using an older version of Acrobat or a different configuration, there's another approach. Open your PDF in Acrobat Pro and head over to the Tools menu. Here you might find an option called Attachments or something similar. Click on Add File, which will again open a File Explorer window, allowing you to select the file you want to include. Once you've made your choice, it's essential to save your PDF to preserve these changes and ensure that the attachment stays part of the document the next time you or someone else opens it. Lastly, for those who see an Attachments panel on the left-hand side of their Acrobat workspace, you can utilize this feature for an easy drag and drop method. Simply drag the file you want to attach into this panel. Alternatively, you can use the panel's Add Attach option to include your file. This method not only allows you to quickly include an attachment, but also gives you the capability to add a description to each file, which is particularly helpful for providing context or additional details about the attachment to those who will be accessing your PDF. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.